Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy on Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, there are three ways to set up a proxy, and I'll show you all three in this video. The first way is to open the Settings, then select the Network section on the left-hand side. From there, select Network Proxy. By default, the proxy option is not selected, so you'll need to choose Manual and enter the IP address and port number for your proxy in the fields that become active. Once you've entered the data, close the window and restart your system for the changes to take effect. That's it, your proxy is now set up and ready to use. The second way to set up a proxy in Ubuntu is through the command line. Open Terminal and enter the following command. Depending on the type of protocol and whether you have a free or paid proxy, you'll need to set it up in a correct format. For example, if you have a proxy with the HTTP protocol that is publicly available, enter it like this. If you have a different protocol type such as HTTPS or SOAKS, you can specify that instead of HTTP by replacing it in the command. If you have a personal proxy that requires a username and password, set it up in the following format. You can also set up HTTPS and FTP proxies using a similar command format as shown on the screen. Once you've entered everything correctly, restart your computer to apply the changes and your Ubuntu system will now work through the proxy. The third way to set up a proxy in Ubuntu is for a specific program. To do this, open the terminal and enter the name of the program you want to proxify in the following format. For example, if you want to proxify Chrome, the command would be as shown. Below, on the command line, you need to specify the proxy data that will be used with Chrome in the following format. If you have personal proxies that require a username and password, set it up in the following format instead. After entering the necessary details, close the terminal and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. That's it. Now you can choose one of the three ways to set up a proxy in Ubuntu for your work. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.